Hey everybody, I'm here to talk about water again and give you guys another science challenge. Today we're going to talk about water tension. Have you ever noticed that when you pour a cup of water and you're trying to mess with somebody, maybe your brother, maybe your sister, maybe your mom, maybe your dad, and you pour it all the way up to the top and you can keep going? Oh my gosh. When you do this at home, you can see that the water is actually above the glass, but it's not pouring over. Why? Same stuff we talked about before. Water molecules love to stick together, and so the water molecules are holding the rest of the water from pouring out the sides. And here's your challenge for today. Water tension. Water tension is also a result of the water molecules wanting to stick together. So things that are more dense than water, although this isn't very heavy, you can actually, if you're careful, get it to stick on top using surface tension. Okay, that's one thing. Here's a rubber band. Just a little rubber band. Make sure it's not wet beforehand. You want it to be dry when you try to put it on. And when you try to put it on, you try to put on the whole thing flat on top. Ooh, yes, that's staying. Now here's a really hard one. Paper clips are better if you have paper clips around. This is a bobby pin, or what's it called? Is it a bobby pin? Safety pin. Let's see if I can get the safety pin. This one's really hard not to pierce the surface, the water surface. If you pierce it, then it's just going to sink straight to the bottom. Take this off. But if you're careful and you lay it all down flat at the same time and not break the surface tension, then you can get it to float, even though it is more dense than the water itself. Oh, stuck for a second there, and then it went straight to the bottom. You can see that the rubber band is still has the oh, there it goes. It broke through the tension, the surface of the water. So you at home, I want to see how high can you get that water? Can you get it to stick over the top? And what things can you get to stay on top? What things can you get to float on top? What's the biggest, heaviest thing, the thing more dense than water?
Okay.
Good luck.